There's also a recognition that in order to really maximize these therapies of the future, we need early detection.
Yes.
We need to be able to detect this disease in the earliest possible time point. And I think in 2011 we really started recognizing, with the advent of the National Institute on Aging and Alzheimer's Association's revision of the criteria of Alzheimer's disease, the recognition that this disease has a time frame that is much longer than we thought. That time frame allows us an incredible window of opportunity in which we can change the trajectory of the disease.
At the minute, we're having drug trials which are failing, and that's probably because we're not using people at the right stage of life for those trials. So really, we need to know who's going to develop dementia before they actually develop key symptoms.
So I think that early identification is a very hot topic for, I think, a lot of people. Certainly for researchers, for people who are here at the conference presenting, because early intervention for treatment is key. We know that once dementia is recognized, the earlier that it is recognized, we're able to actually act sooner and provide collaborative care sooner. We're able to intervene with the caregiver, provide education sooner, and it actually does make an impact on their burden. Now, caregivers have less burden and less stress if it's been able to be identified earlier, so we can help them along that trajectory.
They're a new generation of tests that we can give to patients to see if they have the early stages of the pathology. We need to go early when patients are just starting to develop memory problems. And these early memory problems are related to these biomarkers or medical tests that we now have. So we can actually test patients to see if they're in the very earliest stages and try to enroll them in trials to prevent Alzheimer's disease 5 to 10 years later.